Your lifestyle will often define how much money you make. And it's the truth. It really is the truth. I've seen people move to places like Miami, LA, and go from 5K a month to 30, 50, 100. I've even seen someone go to $650,000 per month after being in Miami for maybe a year or two, right? There is some sort of effect depending on where you are, right? There really is, as my window's fogging up. But there really is an effect, and you can use this lifestyle to your advantage, okay? You can, and people will want that lifestyle. People will understand that you're doing well with your business. If you get on a sales call, so if you're selling landing pages or websites, for example, a service, and you get on a sales call and you're on a balcony in Miami and your view is Miami City, do you think he's going to think you're a scammer? Probably not, right? Probably not. You're going to look legit because you wouldn't have survived that long essentially if you were scamming people. You wouldn't have a business if you were scamming people, and you wouldn't be in that position permanently, casually out on a balcony looking over a crazy city if you were scamming, right? So immediately it's trust. So you're going to close more deals, for example, in the first place. Secondly, you're going to grow your social media platforms much, much faster. Like, there's no question about it, way faster when you're living this lifestyle. Okay. So the first thing that you can do is start taking holidays. If you're just beginning in online business, start taking holidays. Start going to coffee shops where you can. If you can afford this stuff, like a coffee shop with the $4 or $5 on a coffee, worth it 10 times. 10 times. You can get so much content in a coffee shop or a hotel. Hotels are even better, to be honest, because they're luxurious. Best place to ever go if you're broke and you want to invest some of your money into your content, into your work. Take sales calls, take it, hotel lobby, perfect. Get a coffee there, enjoy it. For example, when I went to Thailand last year, I went there for just over a month, and I made more money in that month than I ever did in my life. No doubt about it. The content was insane. I had infinity pools on top of ridiculous height, like 34, 40 floor apartment complexes, balcony out, looking at the view of the city. Insane. And I was living cheaper there than I would in Ireland, funny enough, with all that. So doing these things and spending the money on certain privileges will make you money in return. You need to take advantage of this. You need to understand this. My car, for example, I don't know if anyone knows it, but I have a BMW i8. That's what I'm driving right now. The doors go up like this and they don't go out like a normal car. And it looks crazy, to be honest. Even for the price, it's definitely probably the craziest looking car out there. Now, for me, it just made sense. It's a marketing mobile. That's literally what it is. It's fantastic for marketing. So to me, I'll get an ROI on this car without a doubt. I'm not going to lose money on it. And that's how it goes. And I even got the blue car to match my blue branding. And there's levels to this, obviously. I know people that are buying Lamborghinis and McLarens and Bugattis, for example, with Tate. So there's different levels to all this. So think about your lifestyle. Think about how you can optimize it, make it look appealing as possible. This stuff is important. Think about how people perceive you. If you get on a call and your bed is in your background and you haven't even made your bed and it looks rough and you look rough, you have a t-shirt on, a raggy jumper on, all this, how do people perceive you? If you're on a sales call with someone that's important, you're not going to look that trustworthy. You're going to look like a kid who has no experience in this business. That's it. There's no question about it. You can't do anything but that. So think about how you can handle your situation a bit better. Going here. Think about how you can handle your perceived value when you do get on a call with someone, when you do so showcase your social media, your lifestyle, etc. Because you can do a much better job of it, and it really is important for making you money in the long term. So take care. Well, I'll see you in the next video. This was a quick one. I just wanted to speak on that fact. Subscribe and check out the links below. Absolutely. I'm working with 2 people one-on-one this month. We're going to help them achieve crazy things. Guaranteed 5K a month. So let's hit that link down below and let's work together. Let's see if you're a good fit for the program and go from there. Take care. Talk soon. Bye-bye.